Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the V9 Bluetooth earphones. We're going to unbox it and we're going to set it up with an iPhone. We're going to look at its features, get it working and see how it sounds. If you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, so let's have a look into these ones. So inside the packing you've got an instruction manual in Chinese as well as in English. You've also got a charging cable, and this is a USB-C cable. And of course you've got a docking station or a charging case that comes with the earphones. Okay, right, so cool. So let's get these out of the way and let's have a look here into the charging box or bay or pod. So in the charging pod you've got a normal USB connector here, and you've got the USB-C connector there for you to charge. At the top here you've got a display which will display the current percentage available, current percentage charging your earpods. So let's open it up. So as you open it, you've got the two earphones here, and to remove the earphones you just unclip them from here as such, and they pop out straight away. So here on the case you will see that it's got the remaining percentage of the battery that is included on the case itself. So this does have a battery inside, so if you're walking around, walking about, listening to music, listening to your podcasts or whatever, you can just, and you run out of battery, you just pop these earphones into the case and they will start charging. Okay, so let's have a quick look here into the earphones. So the earphones are quite nice actually. So this is made out of plastic and they are very, very light. It's currently in pairing mode, and it does have buttons here on the side for you to fast forward, pause, reverse. You can also answer calls with these earphones. So they are budget earphones, but they look pretty nice as well. The build quality appears to be good. So having a quick look, so you've got the speaker right here, you've got an extra speaker there, you've got the connectors for charging here on the side, and I don't see though the indicators for right or left, but this will be the right and the other will be the left one. So this is it in terms of the earphones. They look pretty nice. So let's go back here into the case. So to charge the case is very simple. With the included USB cable, connect the USB-C cable to the case, and for this demo I'm just going to use my power bank, connect it to a power source, and this will start charging the case. So if you want to charge your earphones, just open the case, and here just insert the earphones in. So they are both there. So they are lighting red, and as you close the case you will see here percentage of battery for each of the earphones. The right earphones got 40% and the left earphones got 41% now. So it is currently charging, and the battery that it's included on the case has 82%. So I'm just going to disconnect now the power for this case, and let's go ahead and set it up. So just going to open the case here to remove the earphones. So 1 and 2 removed. I'm going to put that on the side. Let's bring up my device here. So as you remove the earphones from the case, it starts blinking red and blue. So this means that it's in pairing mode, and I'm going to open here on my phone, go over to settings, Bluetooth, and let's search for new Bluetooth devices. The device that I want to connect to is this one here, DH01. So tap on DH01 and this will now pair to the earphones. It's done, it's paired, and this is it. So I'm going to test it out now. So I'm just going to put the earphones here on my ears. Ooh, they are very comfortable. And let's open Bluetooth here and look for something to play. So let's search here for soul music. Currently on mobile network, and I'm on VPN as well, which takes a bit of time to open something. So if I just search for something and open here, Okay, the quality is alright. It's got good bass, and the voice is actually pretty good as well. Okay, not bad. Okay, it sounds pretty nice. The bass is okay, but I think it needed a bit more. So let's just fast forward here. Yeah. Oh, pretty good. Yeah, the quality is actually pretty good. You can... Okay, yeah, so the quality is actually pretty good on these. So, highly recommended, to be honest. So it's all made out of plastic. It does fit well in your ear. And as I mentioned, it does come with this case. So, just gonna pop it over here. And this will now start charging. It's gonna pop it over here, so it's charging, and it's a pretty neat device. I like the case. It's actually pretty cool. So if you have any questions, please do put them on the in the comment section below. And this is it for these earphones. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.